that is our ambulance drone. Now how it looks, let's first look on its mechanical structure. It has 4 arms. You can either make it as a cross or either make it as a plus. Now I'm gonna make it as a plus drone. Now as you are able to see that I have made 4 arms which are 90-degree angle to each. Now I'm gonna mount 4 motors on its edges. Now these are brushless DC motors, that is their speed is much greater than normal motors and no brush is present, therefore there is no reason of frictions. Now on this motor we will mount 4 propellers. We will mount 4 propellers. Now in the initial stages, when the power supply will be supplied, now 2 motors, either these 2 or these 2, will move in counterclockwise direction, that is anti-clockwise, and 2 will move in clockwise direction. Now this mechanism will initiate the flight of a drone. Now move on to the next part, which is our circuitry. Now in the middle it comprises of KK board, GPS system, ESC. Now what is KK board? Now KK board comprises of various sensors like gyro sensors, accelerometers, which will control the flight of the our drone. Now there are many sensors which will initiate the level of the drone that will balance in during the baddest condition, though as doesn't matter whether it's a terrain area or plain area. It will automatically sense the conditions and make our drone a balanced drone. Now this will mount in the center of our drone. Now with this, different components are attached like GPS, ESC. Now as we have connected GPS with this, now the work of GPS is GPS will scan the area map directly from the Google Maps, and there are 65 working satellite channels, so it would be easy for us to transmit the bot during the bad weathers also. Now the main component that will control. Now other major component that are used in this connected with the KK board is ESC, which is electronic speed controller. Now the work of this ESC is this will automatically control the speed of the motors and it will provide a smooth flight to our drone. That is, the rotation of the motors will automatically control and we do not have to transmit this drone with remotely. It will wirelessly operate with the help of ESC. Now this is a structure of our mechanical drone. Now the main thing which gives us a part and name as an ambulance drone is the life-saving kit. Now life-saving kit will be mounted on the center of this drone, which would compose of antibiotics, tranquilizers, antiseptic, cottons, bandages and etc. other medical equipments, and which would total weigh up to 400 grams max. Now as we all know now, the total weight of these drones would be around 1 to 2 kgs, including our medical kit, which is a very small, lightweight, so it would not be very difficult for us to controlling it and moving from one point to another. And the main advantage of this drone is that it can even work in the baddest weather condition and even baddest landscape conditions. So in simple words, this is a best life-saving project. Thank you.